اسمي ماريا، أنا من الصف التاسع. الآن أقدم أمامكم خطبة جميلة. This is Maria from class 9. Now I tell you a motivational lecture for everyone. الحمد لله الخالق الوجود من العدم وزائل النور من الزلم ونصلي على رسول الله الأكرم فالحمد لله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي اللهم لا تجعلنا من المكذبين آمين يا رب العالمين. Honorable Chairman, Honorable Managing Director, Honorable Teacher, my dear classmates and respected presents, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I've been asked to tell something for the learners. If Allah gives me tawfiq, I shall be able to say something about it. Respected presents, short was the turning point of my life. I guess it's a great ni'mat for everyone. Your size is a matter. You have to be tall inside. We must know about the shortcomings. Our activity life is 70 years and learning life is only 14 years. So, how do you plan about it? Our performance should be like in shortway. It's Mr. Time. Time is a great healer and time is a great killer. What I want, that is our vision. Do you know what you want to be? Convert your feelings into speech. Oral communication is must. Every person is beautiful. The most beautiful how a person talks 90 to 100 words in 4 hours. 50 words in a minute. Is it possible? Obviously possible. On any topic can you write, read vertically. You cannot talk if you cannot listen well. So listen very carefully. Learn first, then do, which is first before you apply. Observe what is going on. Learn modern technology and culture. Every day you have to update yourself. Some babies are added to you and some babies are dropped from you. So whatever you know, keep it out, don't inside. Are you thinking? Thinking is not for the past. Thinking is only for the future. A proverb goes that, think before you act. If you want a good communicator, you have to convince yourself. Because the person who cannot convince himself, he cannot be a good communicator. Do you love yourself? You cannot love yourself if you don't know yourself. So, write every day. Write diary. I hope if anybody do it, his life will be changed. That's all. Pray for me. Assalamu alaikum.
Most congratulations, Maimuna.